This is the fun part.
Yeah.
We're going to pretend that you...
I'm so
You
good.
did so
I'm
good.
so good.
She sewed this whole thing, this first row. I think we need to bring Chris back and
Oh, good idea.
have her...
Good idea. We could teach
what
her
we
some
can do-
things.
Right, I know. I don't think so, but...
Okay, TikTok's back. Is it? Really? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, I guess
yesterday.
it is. Apparently it is. You know, it's questionable, but, you know, whatever. All right, friends, we have a couple of announcements to make here at the end, so we'll move on to thing number 3. This is 3.
I was going to say, really?
I thought we just discovered. We just discovered. That's okay, Chris.
Hey, y'all. Oh, do you love that? I know. All right. So
Let's see if I get it right. Hi, y'all, and welcome all y'all.
Oh, yeah.
That's how I start all my TikToks.
When we were talking, I'm in tears, Misty's in tears. Chris comes over and she's like, Allison, what are you doing? Then she's in tears.
Yeah. It doesn't take much, does it? I decided I was going to clean my sewing room. Now, that's a dangerous thing to do. It's good, but it can be dangerous.
You and Cindy Martinez. I don't know. You guys are
The mine here. Miss Paul and Allison.
Somebody said it's so coquette, and I'm like, well, what is more feminine and flirty than Kyle and I?
Yeah. I agree. I mean,
flirty.
You should have seen her face when we're like, alien intervention.
yeah.
She looks at me like, what have I got myself into?
When you gift a quilt, is always make sure that they know how long it took you to make it.
you gotta check out the jeans. I don't know if we can get a shot of this.
I don't know if you want
You
to.
have got to check out the jeans. Maybe when we're sitting down.
Okay.
I mean, come on.
Put that leg up there.
Come on, look at those.
Look at how cute
How
they are.
cute are those? Hearts all over.
All over, I know.
We're all laughing just a little bit about Punxsutawney Phil, who
my
told us that
goodness.
there is 6 more weeks of winter. But you know what? He's only right 34% of the time. And Abby told us all that he bit the mayor's ear, so he's not happy about it either.
You know, it can be a lot of different medians that we
Can I make a
use.
whole blank block?
You sure can.
Okay.
With nothing on it?
Yeah.
I totally agree.
I'm in the dark.
Yep. I have nothing to say about this one. Nope.
Oh, thank you so much for inviting me. I feel like a fraud because I don't know how to quilt.
That was going to be our first question. Don't feel like a fraud at all because you don't have to quilt, and we have quilters of all levels, so maybe we'll inspire you. Gosh, now look at me. Here we go.
Now you need the
Now I need the Kleenex.
Hold this up.
I do too.
the scrappy that you get. I'm the worst one to be
Sorry, we're
holding
covering
something
each
up. That's okay.
Let's go.
There she is.
He's
Yeah.
made it.
Look at that.
That's
Your
really fun.
one year. Oh, I can't
Jackie,
remember.
tell us about the front of the quilt.
I know. Awesome.
Oh, that is
the back is so
pretty.
cute.
We have a plaid on the back of this one.
And the quilting is darling.
So we kind of had a little competition.
Everything has to be a competition when you've got her around. Yeah, why not? Well, I'm just the lucky one because I get to sit back here while you guys do thing number 2, and I just get to enjoy the trifle.
We're going to come back to 3 empty bowls.
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly.
If you're just joining us, I'm Allison,
I'm Sherry.
And we drew the short straw because guess who's sitting over there eating?
Layer cake.
Well, we have to work. I mean, you know. This
all the way down.
is the perfect Dateline quilt.
It is. I watched 2 episodes while I was doing this.
Okay.
So your 1/4-inch foot will not work. You will break a needle. Twice. Just
Twice.
saying.
Asking for a friend.
Asking totally for a friend, and I hate that sound when it does that.
Look who I have with me today.
I'm so excited to be here.
Oh my goodness. She was just saying, I've never done this cold open before.
I haven't.
Wow, I can't believe that. Well, I mean, I feel like I need to get on a stool or something. All right. The hills are alive. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
I know, it's kind of fun.
I'm Jackie and you're Allison.
Yes,
right?
and we're gonna
trim it.
trim it good.
Boom, boom. Okay.
Trim it good.
Pre-washed flannel looks like it's been
Pre-wash.
pre-washed. I was trying to make it. Okay, are you ready?
Yep,
for
I'm
this?
ready.
All right.
Whew.
I've got
Okay.
the machine set.
Everyone say a silent prayer.
What about all of
Yeah.
you at home?
Yeah.
Are you more rom-com or drama?
And maybe you should say what rom-com is.
Oh, romantic comedy.
Okay, there you go.
That's the only way.
Maybe that, yeah, maybe somebody besides myself didn't really know what that was. And now I
There you
do.
go. What's the most well-known line in Princess Bride? I'll never forget this one.
Oh,
He rolls down the hill.
oh yeah.
Eric, do you know it? Yes! Okay, Eric got it.
Or it's that,
As you
or it's the one
wish.
that
Oh, Jackie.
I did it wrong. I saw that I did that wrong.
Just realized, well, you know, it's
That's
fine.
okay. It's all right. See, I should have just done it the way I always do it, right? I was trying to help and do it the other way,
It's okay. You know what? It's fine.
but it's going to be okay. We're
It's
going to
gonna
still,
be just
we're
fine.
still going to show you. I'm going to,
Now, they all want to know what you would say if you were at home.
if I
You
was
know what?
on,
I promise she would say the same thing.
I would.
This girl does not swear.
yeah, I think I would just say, I'd say, dang it. Probably.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Oh, you take it outside and shake it off.
That's a great idea.
Shake it off.
Yeah.
Shake it off.
Shake.
Shake it off.
You just
Shake
have
it
to
off.
say that.
I know. I
Just
can't
like
help it.
shake.
You know, all this week we are talking about let's go to the movies. Almost makes me want
Yes.
to break out into song. Name that movie. Let's go to the movies.
Annie,
there
thank
we-
you
let's
for the audio.
Go to the movies. Yes, exactly. I have to tell you, when you first told me this movie, I thought, really? Are you serious? Is this
Pretty basic.
Yeah. I mean,
So my favorite movie is Emperor's New Groove.
Emperor's New Groove. Okay, everyone out there, have you seen the Emperor's New Groove?
And how
Let us
many
know.
of you can say all the taglines, right?
It's very
It is
quotable.
such a catchy
Yes.
show.
I'm a llama again.
Yeah, check you both out.
We did bring you something so you could at least speak partly with us. You got your own.
Oh, this is awesome. I
Your
love
own
this.
popcorn sauce.
Yeah.
This is giving me all the vibes of flipping. I'm not sure what. Oh my goodness, I love that. Cool. Well, speaking of acting,
Right. Wow. Hold my hand. Chris
Here
and
we
I
go.
went out on a limb.
Yes, we did. I can't believe we're putting this out there. I can't
On the
believe
web.
it. Oh, Elfie. You must try this beautiful collection from Tilda. It is absolutely charming and positively perfect for you.
Go, Linda. As much as I appreciate your enthusiasm, I do not see using pink sequins on my perfectly boring navy blue log cabin quilt.
Oh, yeah? No, Elfie, no.
Loathing, unadulterated loathing for your smile, your hair,
Your clothing.
I loathe it all.
I love it all. Oh, Elfie,
Traditional.
with a modern twist. Okay, can I just crawl under the table right
Oh
now?
my word, Chris, what have we done?
What have we done?
He also is like, am I doing a good job? And his little head goes, yes, I am.
So he's your affirmation
Yes,
turtle?
my little affirmation turtle, my positive. And should I choose this fabric? No, not that one. So it's kind of like Magic 8-Ball meets my sewing notion.
But also,
I chose very good.
I did write it, but you can't have it all.
Looky.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. That was clever. I'm
Okay.
just-
Yeah. I mean,
Really?
sewing and chocolate always go together. It's something.
Jackie?
Okay, well,
You cheated. No, I didn't. Yes, that is
No.
total cheating.
no, I didn't because I have something else and I have a note.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
never fear.
Well, you did it. I knew you could. Or maybe you really, really can't. That is true. That is true. Our favorite notions that just can't seem to get it together or stay together. Love, share, bear.
Pull these two inside
It's like
corners.
Pac-Man.
It is. Like,
So,
wah,
you know,
wah,
when you
wah.
say, whoa, whoa.
All right.
See, I'm doing my little. And now I'm doing it this way and down together. The key fob dance. Yes. We need some chocolate. Where's the
Yeah.
chocolate?
Where's those Cadbury eggs? All right.
Some.
Okay, strawberry shortcake. Like, I can still smell that doll
Oh, I know.
all these years later. I can
plasticky.
see very plastic.
And it's not even a strawberry smell.
That faint smell. Yes, it does. Yes, you're gonna ruin my childhood right here, Fern. Let's have an arm wrestle. That's it.
I remember the cartoon stuff.
You want
And
to
with your little pinky up, make sure you have your pinky,
yeah,
you know,
gotta have
sliding it through like you're doing tea.
Pinkies up. Pinkies up.
Pinky's up, for sure. Yeah.
3/4 inch away, or 3/4 inch. 3/4. See what I meant?
Yeah.
3/4 away. All right, everyone, we're back. You're tall. We're short. Like, wow, we're short. We're really short, aren't we, Kyle?
Or thing number 1, something to make you smile. Thing number 2, something to just, oh, I can't even remember. Thing number 2 is something to learn. And thing number 3 is something to discover. Let's go. Phenomenon. That's kind of like Worcestershire style. How do you get that out of your mouth? Phenomenon. Just a little bit that I forgot what thing 2 was yesterday, but you know.
I saw that and I chuckled because I know how that is. And reunited and it feels so good. Am I going to be the only one singing this? Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. Whatever.
I was going to try and get my phone out, but they won't let me have it on set.
All right.
Hi, welcome to 3 Things Live today, where I almost reverted, and you should have seen Eric. He just kind of grimaced a little bit. 3 Things Live, where we.
How could you come back to me just like that? Are you kidding me? Pass. Okay, this is for you, Allison. Oh my goodness, what a ride. What a ride it's been, hasn't it?
I love seeing all of there's always tears, but all of the laughing and
Yes.
all the comments, it's like, you're my therapy. It's like, you guys are our therapy.
Yes.
And we are each other's therapy.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Hey, hey, hey. Monday, bom, 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 bom. Oh my goodness, but it's a Wednesday.
We both
We were both together. We were together again. And it just, you know, so sewing wise, we're thinking of pulling out the seam, right? As the seam. We're pulling out the seam.
lift up.
Instead, I'm like this.
The only flexion.
Yeah, true.
I'm like, come on. Here we go. All right, here we go. Are we ready? And
Well, you know what?
Here, wait just
Jackie,
a second.
we probably should.
I can't reach the
foot pedal.
So
Yes.
it's on the go.
Yes, that's exactly what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Wake me up
Before you go.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You've been dying to sing that.
I know.
all weekend.
Okay, there you go.
I have wanted to.
I
Colorful.
feel colorful.
I'm going to use some colorful language and see how she feels about that.
There you go. Submarine. Good.
We all live in a yellow submarine. Boom.
A yellow submarine. Boom.
A yellow submarine. Something you could do. But
Does it smell?
does it smell?
It does.
Does it smell? I have that old.
It's an old. I love the smell.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it stinks. When I
Like
say
the-
smell, it's not stink. I mean,
Oh no! What just happened?
no, it's like it smells like grandma.
Yeah, like it's been in.
I love it. I love it. It's actually very sweet. Don't worry. Okay.
If you look really close, Grandma got off on her count right there.
Grandma, how dare you?
Get them out of the box.
Get 'em out of the box.
because they're not doing you any good. You're not remembering your grandma stuffed in a box.
That sounds terrible.
But if you get it out and you see it, and you're like, like honestly, like if I look at this, wouldn't this be cute?
When Sherry said she was going to do this on doilies, and she took her grandma out of the box. Sorry. I actually took my grandma out of the cedar chest.
Okay. I've got Miss Kyle in the house with me today. Yeah, the wicked smart girl right here. Wicked smart?
Yeah, huh?
That's right.
Pakika.
Yeah, your Bostonian's coming out.
I wanted to feel good today.
All right, I love it. Kyle and I, we took a little DNA test earlier today. Yes, we did. Are you ready to
Have you
see
seen
this? No, I do not know the results.
I can only imagine.
Sure. All right, let's take a look. Today we're here with one pressing question. Is she really a quilter? We analyzed your fabric stash, your binding choices, and even your bobbin behavior.
No!
The results are in, Kyle. Kyle Yonk, you are 100% a quilter.
I knew it. I felt it in my bobbin.
You felt it in your bobbin.
Way down deep.
Way down deep. You are 100% a quilter. It's in your DNA. You chose the wrong one. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You're the worst.
You chose the right one, my friend. You had a 50-50 chance. No, she chose the right one. You can, at your next guild meeting, be like, do you guys know the term embroidery purse?
Embroidery purse.
Per se. What do we like to say around here, Kyle?
Oh,
Pinkies up.
Pinkies up.
Embroidery purse. There you go. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh dear.
If you get done, you're gonna eat this as fast as you can. See who gets the most done.
What if you eat them?
What about the wrapper? You gotta get it off.
I can't use my hand. I went Jackie.
Right.
So
yes,
that was so fun.